Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If your Paysend app is not loading, crashing, or stuck, let's fix it quickly with these easy steps. First is to force close the app. Try force closing the app and reopen it. It just might need a refresh. Second is to check internet connection. Ensure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working. Try switching networks if it's slow. Third step is to clear cache. For that, go to settings, scroll down and find this option called apps and tap on it. Use the search icon at the top right and type Paysend. Scroll down and go to storage. And here, tap clear cache. It helps to remove any temporary bugs. If it still does not work, tap clear data as well. But note, this may log you out. Another step is to update the app. Make sure your app is up to date to avoid compatibility issues and try restarting your phone. It can clear out background issues. If it's still not working, uninstall and reinstall Paysend. It gives you a fresh setup. And if all else fails, visit support.paysend.com or email them. They will help you with technical issues. And yes, that's how you fix your Paysend app. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.